how to take care of your eyes with your diet, just with the right food options. Revealing the secret now. Hello! Exciting to know the secrets to keeping your eyesight perfect through food. Diets for improving eye health. Our eyes are windows to the world and the one to the sensitive organs of your body. Let's explore how what we eat can impact our vision. Before we share the secret, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so that you never miss secret health tips. Now let's discuss the key nutrients that plays a crucial role in improving retinal function, preventing age-related degeneration, and enhancing blood flow in the eyes. Guess what's that? Omega-3 fatty acids are the group of polyunsaturated fats that are essential for various functions in the body. Omega-3 fatty acids play a crucial role in supporting overall health, and they have been associated with various benefits including promoting eye health. Number 1. Fish, salmon, tuna. DHA is a major structure component of the retina, playing a crucial role in maintaining eye health and supporting visual development. DHA in particular is a major component of the photoreceptor cells in the retina, essential for visual function. Fatty fish such as salmon and tuna are rich sources of omega-3 fatty acids, especially docosahexaenoic acid DHA and eicosapentaenoic acid EPA, which are omega-3 fatty acids known for their role in maintaining the health of the retina. It also provides essential nutrients like vitamin A, which is crucial for maintaining the cornea, and zinc, which supports the health of the retina. Omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon contribute to the production of tears. Adequate tear production is essential for preventing and alleviating dry eyes, which can cause discomfort and affect vision. Number 2. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are an excellent plant-based source of omega-3 fatty acid. Let's make the consumption of chia seeds more delicious and usable. Mix chia seeds with a liquid of your choice, such as milk or a milk alternative, in the ratio of about 1/4, 1 part of chia seeds to 4 parts liquid. You can add a tablespoon or 2 of chia seeds to your favorite smoothie recipe. Let the smoothie sit for a few minutes to allow the chia seeds to absorb some of the liquid and create a thicker consistency. You can sprinkle chia seeds on top of your morning oatmeal or cereal for an extra nutritional boost. Stir them in and let them sit for a few minutes to absorb moisture. You can also add chia seeds to your baking recipes such as muffins, bread, or pancakes for added texture and nutrition, but keep in mind that chia seeds can absorb liquid, so you may need to adjust the amount of liquid in the recipe. You can layer chia seeds with yogurt and fruit to create a nutritious and satisfying parfait. Let's sprinkle chia seeds on top of salads to add a crunch and boost of nutrition. Make a simple chia seed jam by combining mashed fruits like berries with chia seed and a sweetener. Let it sit in the refrigerator until it thickens. Number 3. Walnuts. Walnuts are a good source of alpha-linolenic acid ALA, which is a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3s are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and may play a role in supporting overall eye health. Walnuts contain antioxidants, including vitamin E and polyphenols. Antioxidants help protect the cells in the eyes from oxidative stress, which is linked to aging and various eye conditions. Walnuts provide vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect cells, including those in the eyes, from damage caused by free radicals. Eating a handful of raw walnuts as a snack is a simple way to include them in your diet. Sprinkle chopped walnuts on salad to add crunch and a nutty flavor. Add chopped walnuts to muffins, bread, or other baked goods. Number 4. Carrots. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a pigment that gives them their orange color. In the body, beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A, which is crucial for the health of the retina and the other parts of the eye. Vitamin A plays a key role in the synthesis of rhodopsin, a pigment in the retina that helps with low light vision. Carrots also contain antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which accumulate in the retina, particularly in the macula, where they help protect the eyes from harmful high-energy light waves like ultraviolet rays. These antioxidants are also linked to the reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration (AMD) and eye disease in elderly people. Steam, boil or roast carrots as a side dish of your meals. Cooking carrots can enhance their natural sweetness and make them more tender. Prepare a nutritious carrot soup by blending cooked carrots with other vegetables, broth and seasoning. This is comforting way to include carrots in your diet. Blend carrots into your smoothies for an extra nutritional boost. Combine them with fruits, yogurt, and a liquid of your choice for a delicious and eye-friendly beverage. Incorporate grated carrot into muffin or bread recipes for a healthy and tasty treat. Number 5. Spinach. Green vegetables are rich in various nutrients that contribute to overall eye health. Spinach is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, which is antioxidants that help protect the eyes from harmful high-energy light waves like ultraviolet rays. Spinach also contains vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene. Make a refreshing salad by combining fresh spinach leaves with other vegetables, fruits, and your choice of protein. Add a light vinaigrette for flavor. Create a delicious dish for stuffing chicken breast with a mixture of spinach and feta cheese. Bake until cooked through. Toss cooked spinach with whole wheat pasta, olive oil, garlic, and cherry tomatoes for a quick and nutritious pasta dish. Number 6. Kale. Kale is a good source of lutein and zeaxanthin and also contain vitamin A, C, and K, as well as minerals like copper and manganese. Make a nutrient-packed salad with fresh kale leaves. Massage the kale with a bit of olive oil to soften the leaves and toss it with your favorite salad ingredients. Bake kale leaves with the drizzle of olive oil and your preferred seasoning to make crispy kale chips, a healthy alternative to traditional snacks. Create a vibrant smoothie bowl by blending kale with frozen fruits and topping it with nuts, seeds, and granola for added texture. Number 7. Broccoli. Broccoli contains lutein and zeaxanthin and is high in vitamin C, which is essential for maintaining the health of blood vessels in the eye. You can use these magic vegetables in your meal or in your veg smoothie. Make a refreshing broccoli salad by combining chopped broccoli with cherry tomatoes, red onion, and a light vinaigrette dressing. Prepare a creamy broccoli soup by blending cooked broccoli with vegetables or chicken broth, onions, and seasonings. Why wait for the doctor when you can take care of it before? We've just uncovered the incredible benefits that fish, chia seeds, green vegetables, carrots, and walnuts can offer. Remember, taking care of your eyes goes beyond what you see on your plate. It's about nurturing your body with the right nutrients to support optimal vision, the eye health. Whether you're savoring the omega-3 goodness in the delicious tuna dish, sprinkling nutrient-packed chia seeds on your yogurt, loading up on vibrant green veggies like spinach and kale, or munching on the brain-boosting walnuts, your eyes will thank you. Now it's your turn. Which of these eye-loving foods will you adding to your next meal? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more health and wellness tips. Stay connected on social media for the latest updates and exclusive content. Thank you for joining us today on Health at Hub. Here's to clear vision and vibrant health. Until next time, take care of yourself and keep those eyes shining bright. Bye for now.